Today we're going to talk about the main idea. Can everybody say main idea?
Main idea.
Say that again, Nathan.
Main idea.
So the main idea of a story or a book is, what was the book about? So the main idea is like this big thing. What is our story about? So if we think about our story,
About old people.
what was our story about?
I was young in the mountain. I was young in the mountain.
Yeah, so the main idea of this story was,
I was young in the mountain.
right, because our whole book was all about what?
I was young in the mountain.
Yeah, it was about them being young in the mountains. So the main idea of this book was,
I was young in the mountain.
all right, so we're gonna write that on our chart. Very good. So our whole book, the main idea of everything in this story was what?
I was young in the mountain.
Very good. Now, you have to prove to Mr. Greg that you're right. So what's the main idea of our story? What is our story all about?
I was young in the mountain.
Now we need some details about being young in the mountains. Theo has a detail. Theo, give us that detail.
They had to go in the tub to take a bath.
How did they take a bath?
With a tub.
Is that a detail from the story?
Yeah.
And does that talk about, is that what it was like to be young in the mountains?
Yeah.
Thank you, Theo.
They didn't have bathroom. They had to do
Let Nathan talk.
They didn't have a bathroom in the house, so they used it outside so they could use the bathroom.
Does anybody remember what that was called?
Johnny house. Johnny house.
What's the Johnny house?
Like a bathroom when you
But where's the Johnny house?
outside.
Is that a detail about our story?
Yeah.
So when I was young in the mountains,
They had to go to the Johnny house.
what's a Johnny house?
A bathroom.
And where was the bathrooms?
Outside. And you had to poop in the hole.
Yeah.